Hi friends, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to understand how we can add a custom post type to our WordPress website. Now, let me just quickly add a new plugin. By the time the plugin gets added, there are two ways of adding a custom post type. One is you can install a plugin, a ready plugin, which we are going to look into this video. Uh, and the other way is where we actually code the entire thing in PHP and upload it on a WordPress website. In this video, if you're looking at a ready solution, then this video is for you. If you're looking forward to code it, then probably you may have to check other videos, or you can drop in a comment and I can see if I can do that kind of a video. I'll do that as well. So here I'm searching a custom post type and I'm getting to many options, many plugins which are there. Now my favorite here is the custom post types plugin, which you can see here. I personally have used this many times and it is very effective and it is not very complicated as well. Custom post type UI is also a famous one. It has got 1 million active installs as well. However, that is not as straightforward as this one. So just to keep things simple for you to quickly start up with the posting, you can easily install this plugin. So I'll just install this plugin and I'll activate it. Okay. Now here on the left hand side, you can see there is something called as extend and manage menu which has popped out after I have activated the plugin. So here you can just simply go to the post type and here you can see that there are no custom post types which are there. So you can just click on add post type and here you can give the ID to the post types. What ID do you want to give? Even if you don't make this change, that is absolutely okay. But if you want to make it more aesthetics and you want to you want the terminology to be neat, you can add it there as well. So let me just add one of the custom post types and I'll just add something called as results. So let me just use a custom category called as results here. So, I'll just type it as results. Here, if I want, I can change this. I'll not change it for now. I'll just keep the same. Next, it is asking me the single product name. So it would be result. And here, do we want the hierarchy? If we set it yes, it will have, we can have a parent post type as well. So just like in your pages, you can have a parent and a sub page. Similarly, in this also, you can have it there. Visibility, yes, you want it to be visible in the front end as well. Content editor, yes, we want the content editor. Experts, we need that as well. If you want, you can disable this. Featured image, yes, we can have that as well. And dashboard icon, you can select a specific dashboard icon for this. For the purpose of this video, I'll not change this. I'll just keep it the same. Now there's something called as advanced view as well. So when we just click on advanced view, we get all these options which are there. We can name it as add new result, add new results, and so on and so forth. But you can just keep it default, so you need not worry about all these things. And rest of the options we have selected, we have already selected here. Now once I publish this, on the top you can see something called as results that has come up here. Just about the extend and manage, there's something called as results which has come up here. And when we just click on view all results, we can see all the results which are coming in, and we can just click on add new, and we'll get that. But when I open this, there is one thing which is missing, and that is the categories on the right hand side. So we don't have any categories added per se, because that is something which we did not create for this specific thing. So just like posts has categories tags, we can also create categories in this case. So let's see how exactly we can do that. So we'll just go back to the extend and manage, and there's something called as taxonomies. and we'll just click on taxonomies, which is there, and we can just click on add new. Now, please note, this is so much flexible. You can also add this to the post type which is there. So you can also add these to any other post type which is there. Like here, it's giving us an option. Where do we want to add this testimony which we are trying to add? So for example, here I can tell, I'll name it results categories, and this one I'll leave it same, and I'll select result post type because I want it to be activated there. Then there are other advanced options which are there. I'll just leave it blank. We don't want to play around with the name and what it is. ID also I'll leave it as it is, but in your case you can have it result underscore category or something which is identical to the custom post name that you've kept. Okay, fine. It wants the singular name, so we'll take it as result category. Okay, and then I'll publish this. Now, as soon as I've published this, here in the results, we can see there's something called as result category which gets added. If I just click on that, I can add the categories just as we add the blog post categories. So maybe, I can add the results as SSC or maybe, 10 standard and so on and so forth. Whatever categories I want, I can add it here. And I can click on add result category. Now, when we go back to our results, all results page, and okay, I think we have not published or added any result here. If I just click on add new, here we can see the result category that is coming in also. So I can select this, and I can just type it as 99% in 10. Okay, and I can write some dummy name. Okay, like maybe Prakash and so on. I can add some images if I want, whatever I want. I can do it here, and I can just publish this specific custom page. Now, if you can just go and right click on the specific link, you can see there is something called as results 99 in 10th. This is the result has been published here. The Prakash name is here, which is there. So basically, our custom post is ready after doing all these things. And now let's say if you want to see all results, we can just do one thing is in the URL, we can type in the website name slash results, and all results will be displayed here. When we click on a specific result, it will come results slash 99 in 10th. That way. So this is how your custom post will be ready, and you can add as much information as possible. Since we have enabled featured image, we can also add a featured image to the post. And let me just add one random image from here. Okay, it's too slow. It will not be shown on social media, but that is fine. We just want to see it on that specific page. And when I refresh it here, the image comes in as a featured image, comes below the post. So this is a simplest way of adding custom post type. Now, why would you require a custom post type? Most of the time, when you want to, distinguish the content, and you just don't want to have a page layout, you just don't want it to have it in a normal page or the post format, then you can consider going for custom post types. It's a very useful thing to do, especially when you are trying to create some custom elements into the website and you want to have their own categories and stuff like that. I hope you learned something new in this video, and keep watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Thanks for your time.